We are losing ourselves. We getting too much cold. Oh my god.
Yeah. We find some atelier for Arctic. They're making the pot here, clay
This is
pot.
it. Can you believe this is Turkey? No people around actually.
But we come too much corners of side of somewhere. Look, here was pension before. The plate is still there, but it's
Pension?
empty now. Look, the light is right in pension. But they lose their job probably.
Yeah. This is cool, maybe.
No, government things. If
Government.
you see this kind of big thing, it's government.
Yeah, this is too much a big place. It looks like yeah, this is military, probably.
No, this is the museum. Right, museum.
Ah, this is museum.
Without camera, probably we can go inside for while looking around. Oh, we come very nice place.
Oh my
What
god.
is
Surprising.
Look the wall. Oh, take this wall also.
Baby Ralph.
Take this wall also. Beautiful.
Oh,
They put
interesting.
here for taking the wall.
This is interesting, guys.
Why they putting? Yeah, it's beautiful. Also
Wow.
here is beautiful. Okay, don't go inside, enough.
So,
So this is military zone, we cannot pass.
they're gonna stop us. This guy. So they cannot. This is museum. Can we go there with the camera?
If it's open, we can go. Let's go.
So they're gonna smash your face, baby Ralph.
No, maybe.
Actually, this one was more nice also. We didn't.
Come back, this is military zone.
Ah, metal zone.
Probably.
You think can we
You
go?
want to try to here?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
With camera?
No, we cannot. Can we see
I'm
or
not crossing. I'm coming with camera. And when we are gonna defuse, that time we're gonna take something. Baby Ralph. Baby Ralph, come. Come.
Yasak mı abi? Kapalı mı bura? Müze diyor. Müze nerede?
Biz kapanmış beyefendi.
Ha, yok yani ondan sonra.
Sabah 9'dan itibaren gelebilirsiniz.
Ha, kaça kadar?
Kapanmış beyefendi.
Efendim?
4.30'a kadar kişi işleminizi yapmanız lazım.
Gişe işlemi nereden yapacağız?
İşlem buradan yapılıyor.
Tamam. Oralara giriş var mı?
Hepsine girebilirsiniz.
Ha, tamam, ben de müze yazdım ya. Müze bu taraf mı oluyor? Ne bileyim ben kardeşim, koymuşum nal gibi şeyi. Dedim herhalde oraya. Hadi, hayırlı işler olsun. İyi nöbetler.
Hadi ben kamera
Bize
gideyim.
de komutan was here. Commander.
Ha.
Ha.
Then?
I am also komutan. He said don't go. Müze is the other side, not here. Tomorrow we go there.
Ha, you say it's around.
Uh-huh.
What's inside? Also a restaurant maybe.
Before 4:30. We come to see side babe.
Bravo, let me ask you.
Huh.
He said which time we need to visit until when?
He said 9:30, between the 4:30 we can go. He was going to commander.
He put his face camera. Then to take our camera. Delete everything.
We can put this one, Evan. We didn't know. We can make it, we didn't know part actually. We don't know nothing.
We came here yesterday, it was full.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just still have light now. We can show the seaside.
Oh, guys, amazing. Oh my god, everything is very nice, shiny. Oh my god.
We were trying to go here. Look, even the submarine one.
Ah, marine.
Look, if you pass here is submarine there. You can go to dam.
This is marine for soldiers. Only soldier can go there.
No, this is coffee. We can sit here.
Ah, this is coffee. As you can see, guys.
So show the around.
This is marine.
Let's show a little bit and come back to this cafe to sit.
Çanakkale is really the best. I really love it. Çanakkale than Istanbul. Let me say like this.
Ay,
Yes. No, I'm not bad. You know what? Çanakkale, there's not too many traffic.
Yeah.
It's like a really natural life. You know?
Yeah, actually, Çanakkale is nice than the main
Look at
city
the
of
sea.
Turkey.
Actually, no, Turkey actually too many water. That's why there's too much. Every corner there is water. Let me show also that side. Ooh, you cannot put in the camera. This camera cannot zoom. I was using my phone for zooming, but so beautiful, guys. Look at
Babe,
this.
I told you we need to bring the gloves. You refuse now. Our hand is getting cold.
No, I'm fine there.
I'm putting this.
The city is amazing.
Let's go, babe. Until this.
I recommend everyone to visit Çanakkale.
No, Çanakkale is
Çanakkale
good, but
is
actually
really-
summertime more good.
Yeah, summer is beautiful for enjoying this water around you. We pass like this?
No, no.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Because no passageway is asked. Where are you going?
How like this?
Where are you going?
Okay.
There's the...
Okay.
Ama bunu anlayamayabilir yani. O kadar.
There's more shop around here. Actually, they look like bad. Maybe, yeah. And the coffee restaurant. Chai.
Yeah, but it's different. They have breakfast.
So coffee around the guys.
Baby, now, be careful of camera because your hand is going to be dry. You don't feel anymore.
Oh, look at this ship. This is a ship? No, it's not ship. This boat, small boat.
This is the man. Hey, you have to take cold heavy.
You got cold?
Too much crazy.
Yeah, we are really freezing, guys. We are freezing.
Yeah, very cold this is the time.
Yeah, in winter, but we are not too much winter yet.
Yeah.
Maybe next month is gonna be crazy cold. But because of seaside,
These
of
are
course,
always cold.
seaside always wind.
If you leave, you need to leave like one behind or two behind the seaside.
Yeah. Yeah. Kangaroo.
Kanguru ne?
Kangaroo.
Ha, the cafe bar.
Kangaroo. Ah, it's a
Kanguru.
hotel Aspen. Top there.
Smaller than our hotel.
Yeah, this is more than our hotel. Yeah, of course. How can you
So
say
I
it?
didn't know we can come like this in the seaside actually. Directly we come to central city. Do you believe it?
And they walk. We don't know where we was going.
Yeah.
We was planning to pass bazaar. We came here, babe. We was buying ticket, I remember, yeah. For
Yeah, we go
going
to the side.
for going other side, yes.
No, we didn't go this side. Let's go this side.
Okay. Wow.
So seaside is cold. Let's not go there. Let's go the one behind.
So guys, what do you think about Turkey in Çanakkale?
Çanakkale.
Yeah, Çanakkale. You can see everyone is wearing jacket.
Winter, yeah.
Winter started. Too much crazy wind.
Where is the port? It was around here maybe.
Maybe other side.
We buy it, the small one.
It's other side because I was coming from the hotel eating there, remember?
I see, it's that.
But when is
So
the
we
sunny?
need to go to one of this shop and warm this with ourselves. I'm getting
When
cold.
is the sunny is more maybe looking good, babe.
Yeah, but it's going to be rain actually.
Oh la la, Çanakkale, beautiful.
Yes.
It's amazing. It's unbelievable. Ooh. But
Yeah,
my
very well.
jam is freezing.
It's cold, babe. My
Baby,
nose is
your eyes starting to cry, baby.
It's cold. Why should I lie to you? It's cold.
Baby, it's the first time I see you cold. Normally, you don't
No, I
get
take
cold.
shower and go outside. What do you expect?
Yeah, that's why maybe. You know, this place is like Cape Town actually.
Ah, this side is like a waterfront. They call waterfront. That side is exactly here. Same thing.
It's like Cape Town. Oh,
The ice cream shop. What kind of people go
what
to
kind
ice
of
cream?
minute is this? I cannot see.
Okay, 12 minutes.
Let's cross.
No, we can close.
Huh?
We can close. But I'm not going to open again. I'm very cold.
No, I'm gonna cross when I got that animal. This video I will
Okay, we close there.
are we gonna throw directly
And
without
we,
even
we come
anything?
to some warm coffee, sit there. Drink
Yeah.
something.
We're gonna find it where we can drink chai, guys, because we are really freezing. And I'm not gonna edit nothing on this video, guys. Whatever you're gonna see wrong, sorry about it.
We take too much crazy. You can't complain to me. So going to time it, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw all.
Ah, you take it.
People they can see everything. Wow, small boat. I think last time I was taking video like here. Yes, guys, this is Çanakkale life.
Small fishing boat. Show fishermen.
Fishermen, they use this small boat to
Small
go
boat. So they
fishing.
going to small fishing. Yeah.
They use this.
Yeah.
I was thinking, what is he doing this? It's for fishing.
Yeah. These people are fishing.
Wow. So how much, for example, this kind of ship, babe?
400,000.
400,000.
$10,000, $15,000.
Too much actually. Too much money, babe.
No, it's like car expensive. It's also expensive. Maybe this is good looking. It's
Wow,
medium.
is this like a home?
Yeah, you can see it. You can enjoy.
Ah.
They have all of them. Below is the bed.
Actually, it's look outside too small, but inside is big. It's real home inside. You can cook, you can sleep, go to toilet, everything,
Yeah, everything
inside.
there.
It's more like this.
Yes. We come to much crazy place. There is this horse. I'll
Is
get
here
it
for
Okay, we come there. We
I'm
need to
gonna
cross.
cross with the exactly there.
This is marina, of course. All motor yacht is here.
Marina.
Yeah.
Marine. So, what do you think about Çanakkale, guys? Do you love it? Let us know in the comment. What do you think about Çanakkale when you compare to Istanbul?
Yeah, they call this is Trojan horse. Trojan horse meaning like they put inside of the soldier, very big criminal soldier inside of this one in the history time. They give to the Troy city as a gift. In the night time, this soldier come and open the Troy city door and kill everyone.
Ooh.
So this is history of the Troya. This is the Trojan horse because they give it as a gift.
Ooh,
And
nice
people
doggy
inside
also.
was living inside and they killed everyone.
Oh,
Criminal people was inside. This
Wow.
is the history.
yeah. It's so beautiful, big.
I think there is some information table there. Let's check. It's big actually.
Last time maybe. So big, yeah. Very interesting.
Too much writing.
Some information is here, but you cannot read it all.
I can check what is it. Show them.
This information, but you cannot read it all.
No, in the below. Show the only this part.
You cannot read it too.
Oh, it's readable. I don't want to read too much.
Yeah,
So show the horse. Right.
it's interesting, guys. Wow, so big.
Look, there is the city like this. That people cannot enter the city because wall too high. Then they decide to give to the gift for the city for kitchen here. Okay. Then get.
And everything is right in here, actually.
Yes.
Very interesting. This is tour. I don't know about
They don't put the entrance for city. I don't know how they can go inside.
You mean you go inside here?
They go inside like
Touching it.
no. For example, how is the people inside to come outside?
Ah.
They forget to put wall door.
Maybe they don't allow to go inside.
No, I mentioned about the city. People living inside.
Huh.
This market of city, right?
Uh-huh.
How they can come back? Come out.
This is a historical, guys. Çanakkale historic. So I think it's enough.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you for watching, guys.
So guys, we are here exactly behind of this horse and in front of this small, like how can I say, market, historical market of the Troya city. And what I found in the market, they forget to put the door for exit and inside.
For going
So-
inside for.
So how these people put to this big horse to inside? How they can take it?
Somehow
So
they open
it should be some door here, so they don't have. Anyway, take care of
So thank you for
yourself.
watching,
Bye bye.
guys.